To increase efficiency for architects, GstarCAD Architecture as a software specially developed for architecture plan and construction drawing is the most cost-effective choice. In GstarCAD Architecture, practical functions stored in Toolbox menu could make your design process smoother. There are also a variety of architecture styles to choose from library for architecture plan and construction drawing. GstarCAD Architecture provides many kinds of dimension tools and professional symbols, which could not only make the dimension process faster, but also calculate the areas much easier. The software supports automatic 3D modeling function while drawing the 2D floor plan. Architects could easily create section drawings with automatically generated matching dimension and floor symbols. Doors, windows and holes could be counted in a table, which could be converted between DWG and Office Word or Excel conveniently.